how to pay credit card using Bank of America online banking. If you'd also like to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So first of all, head over and open up Bank of America. Use a user ID and password in order to log in into your account and you will be finding this particular interface. Now look out for the bill pay option within your dashboard and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may go ahead and select the option of enrolling. You may read the terms before doing so. After that, click on enroll. And once you do so, it will show you all the terms and conditions which you need to be agreeing before signing up. So you can check mark that you have received, read, and consent to the e-communication disclosure. After that, tap on I agree, and then you will be taken to the section. Now here you need to enter your account info to get started. So provide a unique name which is optional, your routing number, your account number, and then confirm your account and your account type. Once that is done, click on next. And then there you go. Now you can just go ahead and click on done. And once that is done, you can select, you can confirm your payment details. Yeah, that you're paying from this much account, this much amount, and the frequency delivered by, and you can even add up a note. Once that is done, click on pay. And once that is done, there you go. Now you have already scheduled to pay your credit card using Bank of America online banking. So therefore, if you'd also like to pay credit card using Bank of America online banking, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.